Number 18. Pinasa kay number 23. Number 23. Nahulihan. Number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 27. Number 27. No good. Nakuha number 5. Foul.
10.
Foul number 10. First personal foul. 13 foul. Number 23.
Huwag ka dyan! Pwesto ka!
Binababa. Pass to number 1. Number 1 for 3. No good. Nakuha number 77. Remo. Pinasa kay DM. DM. Basket. Lamangga po ang Kraken. 37-35. Rodel, nagdala ng bola. Simulat sa traveling. Number 27, binababa ang bola. Pass to Kuya Remo. Pass to number 27. Number 27, pass to Kuya Remo. Nahulihan ni number 5. Number 5, binababa ang bola. Kraken ball.
Ayun na, ayun na!
Number 27. 27. Pass to Kuya Remo. Kuya Remo for 3. No good. Nakuha number 5. Number 5. Dumiretso. No good. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 27. 2 shots. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. First go. By number 5. Yes, connect. Second throw. Pang-call. Yes, basket. Deadlock na po ulit. Number 27, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to DM. DM. Lumipan. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 5. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First throw. Basket. Second throw. No good. Nakuha agad. Kraken ball. Rodel, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to number 1. Number 1. 15 to shoot. Makuha ni number 10. Number 10. Nahulihan ni number 23. Nahulihan ulit ni number 5. Pass to kay Remo. Remo. Talo bang. Kaya na, Tiger Sharks. Rodel, nagdadala ng bola. Rodel. Crossover. Bang. Pass to number 1. Number 1. No good. Nakuha ni kay Remo. Remo. Pass to kay DM. DM. Wow. Basket by DM. Score po natin. 14-37. Lamang. Ang Kraken. Rodel. Binabalabag. Number 12. Foul. Number 5. Pushing foul. First personal foul. Penalty. First all. Gutierrez. No good. Second and final throw. Basket.
Ay, mali pala. Dapat nung pala sa kalaban. Sorry.
Number 27, Ridolfo. Kuha niya number 18. Number 18, pinasa kay Rodel. Rodel? No good. Nakuha number 27. Number 27. Number 27, Duberecho. Pasa number Kuya Raisek. Kuya Raisek. Rodel, binababa ang bola. Rodel. Pass to number 23. 23. Blaksak. No good. Nakuha na Kuya Raisek. Kuya Raisek. Pass to number 27. Basket. Number 27. Number 12. Gutierrez. Pass to number 18. Number 18, nahulihan. Nakuha number 23. Foul. Number 10. Second personal penalty. First goal by number 23. No good. Second and final throw. No good. Air ball. Here I said, pass to number 27. Number 27 for 3. No good. No good. Keremo. Foul counted. Number 23. First personal foul. 13 fouls. First. Last 1 minute. Number 5, no good. Nakuha ni Kuya Raisek. Kuya Raisek. Nakuha ni number 23. Number 23. Number 23. Julian, foul. Number 27. Second personal foul, penalty.
Uy, penalty kayo.
First row. Basket.
Basta daw yun.
Second row. Isaac. Pass to number 27.
Kita ka, Tiyan. Kita ka.
Number 27. 15 to shoot. Keremo. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Raisek. Foul. Number 5. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. 30 seconds. Ten to shoot. Carrying the ball. Wala na po tayong shot clock. Wala na tayong shot clock. Number 20. Pass to Rodel. Rodel for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Raisek. 10 to shoot. Number 27. 10 seconds. Running time.
Red ball.
5 seconds. Kuya Remo. Shooter. Basket. End of second quarter.
Ito, dito ka lang. Tutusin, mabilis lang yan, hindi nag-up time yan. Wala sasayaw.
Seven.
Pesto, pesto.
15 to shoot. No good. Ako number 19. Pass to number 7. 7. Pass to Kuya Art. Kuya Art for 3. No good. Ako number 7. Sino 7? Sino 5?
Nice day, nice day, nice day.
Tiger shot.
Nice day, nice day. Pero mo sa akin yun, sayang. Pero... Pwesto ka pre. Kabila.
Number 26. No good. Ako ni Baron. Baron. Ang bilis. Lumipad. Pass na. Basket by Kuya Art.
Pwesto Lord. Pwesto sa gilid. Huwag mo bandayan, Joji.
Number 07. 07. 3 seconds violation. Number 7. Nagdadala ng bola. Sumalaksak. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 9. Lumipad. Easy 2 points. Nakuha ni Baron.
Android. May Android eh.
Baron. Nagdadala ng bola. Pinasakin kay Art. Kay Art for 3. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni number 7. Number 7. Pass to kay Art again. Kay Art. No good. Karakin ball. 9 to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot na po. Number 19. Pass to kay Art. Kay Art for 3. No good. Nakuha number 9. Number 19. For 3. No good. Nakuha ni Baron. Baron fakes. Tumira. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni pa rin. Basket by Baron. Number 05. Nagdadala ng bola. Pass to number 07. Number 07, no good. Nakuha ni Baron. 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 Pass to Kuya Art. Kuya Art for 3. No good. Number 07. 07. Return. Basket counted. Number 7. First personal foul. First team foul. Score po natin, 59-41. Lamang ang Kraken. Ako po. Muna po lalakad. Last row, number 07. Basket. Number 8. Pass to Baron. Baron. Crossover. Baron. Basket by Baron. Number 26. Pass to number 07. 07. Nawala bola. Tukol ni Baron. 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 Pass to Kuya Art. Out of bounds. Bitawan ni Kuya Art.
Pwesto ka na lang, pwesto ka na lang. Kaya mo siya ano.
Number 07. 07. Kahulihan. 07. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 8. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots po tayo. First row. Basket. Second row. Basket. Number 7, nagdadala ng bola. Number 7, naghahanap ng papasahan. 15 to shoot. Number 8, pass to number 19. Number 19, no good. Naku number 05. 05, pass to number 07. 07, ulihan ka agad. Basket DM. DM pala yun? And the ball. Basket point. Number 12, Adel. Nagdadala ng bola. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Tumagsak, no good. Naku number 26. Out of bounds. Tiger Sharks ball. Number 23. Pass to Rodel. Nagawin number 27. Long pass to DM. DM. Sumalaksak. Basket. Rodel, pinababa ang bola. Foul, number 27. Third personal foul, third team foul.
Balik.
Number 23. Sumalaksak. 2 points. Number 1. Nahulihan ni Rodel. Pass to number 18. Number 18, pass to number 5. Number 5, spin move. Nakuhanan si DM. DM, pass to kay Ryder. Bukulas ang bola. Nakuha niya ulit. 9, violation. Score po natin, 48-65. Lamang pa rin ang Kraken. Number 10, Rodel. Nakuha ni DM. DM. Pass to Kuya Ryder. Kuya Ryder. Easy 2 points. Number 23. Nagdadala ng bola. Pass to number 18. Mercado. Number 18. No good. Nakuha niya. Out of bounds. Tiger Sharks ball. Number 26. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Remo. Kuya Remo. Long pass to number 27. 27. Easy 2 points. Time out! Tiger Sharks. And the ball. Basket point. Number 12, Adel. Nagdadala ng bola. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Sumaksak, no good. Nakuha number 26. Out of bounds. Tiger Sharks ball. Number 23. Pass to Rodel. Nakuha ni number 27. Long pass to DM. DM. Sumalaksak. Pass it. Rodel, pinababa ang bola. Foul, number 27. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Balik.
Number 23. Sumalaksak. 2 points. Number 1. Nahulihan ni Rodel. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Spin move. Nakuha na si DM. DM. Pass to kay Ryder. Nakulas ang bola. Nakuha niya ulit. 9. Violation. Score po natin. 48-65. Lamang pa rin ang Kraken. Number 10. Rodel. Nakuha ni DM. DM. Pass to Kuya Ryder. Kuya Ryder. Easy 2 points. Number 23. Nagdadal ng bola. Pass to number 18. Mercado. Number 18. No good. Nakuha niya. Out of bounds. Tiger Sharks ball. Number 26. No good. Nakuha ni Guerrero. Guerrero. Long pass to number 27. 27. Easy 2 points. Time out. Tiger Sharks. Number 12. Pinasa kay number 17. Tumira na 3. No good. Number 12. Pinasa ulit. Nakuha ni number 19. Pinasa kay Rodel. Ay Baron. Number 9 kay Art. 4 points. First basket. Sa press. Number 18. Nakuha ni number 8. No pass. Nakuha ni number 05. 05. Simon. Number 07. Tumira ng 3. 3 points. Number 7. Nagdadala ng bola. Number 7. Sumalaksak. No good. Nakuha number 12. Number 12. Gutierrez. Pinasa kay number 07. 2 points. Baron. Nagdadala ng bola. Baron. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Kuya Art, no good. Nakuha ni Baron. Baron. Nakuha ni Rodel. Rodel. Pinasa kay number 07. Easy 2 points. Number 8. Pass to Baron. Baron. Behind. 07. Easy 2 points. Time out. Kraken. Yuko niyan. Yuko niyan. Iyak. Racquetball. Number 7. Nagdadala ng bola. Number 7. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Pass to Baron. Baron. Pass to kay Art. For 3. 3 points! Technical! Masyadong mayamang! Mayamang si Kuya Art! Nakakadalawang tres ka pa lang, Kuya Art, ha? Technical ka na po. Technical throw is no good. Na kasi nagpapabaril ni Kuya Chay. Zero 7. Naghahanap ng pasahan. Pass to number 05.
Pilit para din.
05. Diretso, nakuha ni Baron. Kaya Art. Kaya Art na naman. Diretso. Number 17. Number 17. Pass to Rodel. Rodel. No good. Nakuha ni number 17. Pass to number 07. 07. Foul. Foul number 8. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First team foul pala. Sorry. Basket. Sub. DM in. Number 7 and 8 out. Number 27. Pass to kay Art. Kay Art. Nakuha ni Rodel. 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 Behind the scene. Nakuha ni Kuya Art. Kuya Art. Side tip. Basket. Score po natin. 85-66. Lamang ang Kraken. Number 07. No good. Nakuha number 18. Number 18. Wala. Nakuha ni 05. No good. Number 19. Pass to number 9. Tijuanes. For 3. 3 points. Number 07. Tumira. Easy 2 points. Number 19. Pass to number 91. No good. Nakuha ni number 17. Pinasa kay Rudel. Rudel. Pass to number. Rudel ulit. Basket. Pass to number 27. Reserve shot. Number 9. No good. Nakuha. Number 05. Number 05. For 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 27. 27. Number 27. Nagdadala ng bola. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Kuya Art. Rattling violation. Sub din dito. Kuya Rice in. Number 19 out. Number 23, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to 05. 05 for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Remo. Pass to Baron. Baron. Side step. Wala. Sa hulihan ni number 23. Pass to number 07. 07 for 3. No good. Nakuha number 77. 77. Pass to Baron. Baron. 2 points. Oras po natin. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 26. Nahulihan. Nakuha ni Kuya Remo. Kuya Remo. Pass to number 27. 27 for 3. No good. Basket pala. Number 23. 23. Nahulihan ulit. Nahulihan. Ni Kuya Raisep. Kuya Raisep. Foul. Foul number 23. Second personal foul. First team foul. Oras po natin. 4 minutes and 8 seconds. First throw. Air ball. Second and final throw. No good. 07. Pass to number 5. Number 5. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Remo. Kuya Remo. Bigla na naman ang nahulihan. Pass to number 5. Basket. Number 27. Bigla na lang bola. Pass to Kuya Raisep. Nahuli. Out of bounds. Time out! Kraken! Pass to number 12. Number 12, pass to number 05. 05. Pass to number 07 for 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 19. Pass to Kuya Remo. Number 27. For 3. 3 points. Number 12, Brunel. No good. Nakuha ni number 26. Nahulihan. Pass to number 5. Number 37. Palakas. No good. Injuries timeout. Napaka po daw. Sab-sab na lang po. Sab na lang po. Sabi na lang po daw. Oras po natin, 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Ang score natin, 96-72. Lamang ang Kraken. Number 12, Rudel. Nagdadala ng bola. Pass to number 26. 26. Pinasa kay number 5. Foul. Who's foul with? Number 19. Ilang foul ka na? First personal foul. 13 foul.
30 pa, dalawang foul pa. Penalty.
Number 23. Tumira. No good. Nakuha ni Rodel. Same ball. 99 IQ.
Ready. Good.
Number 07.
Good.
No good. Number 5. Pass to number 37. Basket. Number 12. Rodel. Number 12. Speed move. Oh, finish it. No good. Nakuha ni number 5. Oh.
Good.
Nakuha number 26. No good. Nakuha ni Kuya Remo. Kuya Remo? Kuya Remo, pass to number 5, DM! Grabe nga yun, DM! Pwede ka na. Number 12, pinasa kay number 5. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakakuha ni.
Good, good.
Pinasa kay number 5. Pass to number 26. No good. Nakuha ulit ni number 26. Tumira ulit. No good pa rin. Nakakuha ni number 19. Pass to number 27. Redondo. Number 27. Tumalaksak. No good. Nakuha ni DM. 2 points by DM. Score po natin 102. 72. Lamang ang Kraken pa rin. Number 26. For 3. No good. Number 27. Inuubos ang oras. For 3. No good. Nakuhin. Rudel. Rudel. Pass to number 23. Easy basket. Oras po natin. 43 seconds. 40 seconds. 15 to shoot. Foul. Rudel, number 12. Foul, foul. Foul, foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Maganda ang bakbakan ng second game. Foul, number 12 ulit. 8 seconds to shoot na lang po. Second personal foul. Number 27, tumira. No good. Nakuha number 19. Number 19. No good pa rin. Nakuha ulit ni number 27. Fade away. No good. Nakakuha ni number 27. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Makakapat ang Tiger Shots.
Justin!
In the fourth quarter. Kamayan po tayo for sportsmanship. Baron, despair ka. Pipicturean ka. Pumunta ka. Ako. Buti pa rin po tayo.